everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. So today I just have a little gift idea that I'm going to be putting together, so I thought I'd share that with you. I got some items from the Dollar Tree. It's going to be super simple. It's just a little tiny gift for my mother-in-law, my mom, and my sister-in-law. We're going to be coming over for Easter, for an Easter lunch dinner meal, and I just want to give them a little gift. So I grabbed some items. You can get some items from Walmart, Bath & Body Works, wherever you prefer to shop, but I just wanted to show you how you can just put something very small. It's just a little gift idea, and if you want to see, keep on watching. So let's get to crafting. Alright, so let me show you what I'm going to put into the little baskets. I did get all these items from the Dollar Tree except for some candy, but I'll show you what I got. I got these little tin buckets. I thought this would make a perfect little Easter basket, and I found this pretty pink and white, and I was looking for a little basket, but they were pretty much cleared out of their Easter. And then I went around looking to see if there was something else that I could use, some sort of container that maybe I could decorate it on the outside to make it Eastery. But then I found these and I thought these were perfect, and they had them in different colors, but this is more Eastery to me. And to put in their baskets, I got some body sprays, a soft floral. I bought these before, you guys, and if you're super sensitive to smells like perfumes and colognes, I get super nauseated, super dizzy. I've even passed out a couple of times from having, you know, someone around me that had a lot of perfume, and then someone else again with some cologne. And you know, I don't know what it is, especially like at church, people that have a lot of cologne and perfume, they tend to want to hug you. I don't know, what is it with people with a lot of perfume? They just want to hug people, and that's fine. But you know, then you get it on yourself. And you know, some people are sensitive like myself, and a lot of you probably are too. So I'm just going to tell you, I'm just going to recommend these little, they have them in the soft floral, and then they have a paradise something or another, and then another set that was like a Brazilian something. Actually, I have the Paradise Breeze here with me, and then there's another one called Brazilian something, and I bought the 3 cents already, and I like them. So I got one for each of them, and enough of that. And then I'm following like a little pink, you know, theme here, if you can see that. Got some soothing cream for their hands or body, I guess, with shea butter and almond oil. So I got 3 of those. I mean, they got the price on them. They don't, you know, they're 3 ladies that are very appreciative of whatever you get. But 2 of them are very picky about, well, why didn't I get what she got? Or what? So that's why everybody's getting all the same stuff. My mom and my mother-in-law. Okay, so then I got them these hand and nail gloves. So I guess to soothe and soften their hands. Pretty nice. I wonder why it says touchscreen compatible. Oh, I guess if you have them on and you have to use your phone, they'll be okay. All right, and then I've got this 2-step scrub and mask. It's got a cucumber exfoliating scrub and a pink grapefruit clay mask. These items I've never tried. Only the spray, the scent. But you know, I thought they would be kind of cute. They could sit down one day, you know, pamper themselves. And then I got them some cherry chapstick. I got each of them one of those. And then I went to my grocer and I bought some Ferrero Rocher candy. So I'm going to put one of each of these into their basket. I've got some Easter grass. I think I'm going to use the pink. And then I've got some loot bags, these clear loot bags. And I got lucky because I couldn't find them. I could only find like different designs, but I couldn't find anything that was, you know, pink or, you know, to the theme. Everything was birthday or something else. Or the colors, you know, they were too, you know, what do you call them, your red, blues, and greens, you know, your typical colors. I wanted something, you know, that was clear or pastel, and this is what I found. It was at the bottom of the shelf, on the bottom shelf, just laying there all by itself. So I said, it's meant to be for me. And I got some ribbon, even though it's got some little ties here to close the bags. I got some ribbon here to make a little ribbon on the top, and it's 3 yards, so I have a whole, you know, yard or 3 feet for each of them. Maybe I can make a little bow. All right, so let's go ahead and put all these items together. So I put my dogs outside because, like I said, there's a guest here, so you might hear the dogs also in the background barking, and they're right outside the window of this room, so they can hear me talking. So, all right. It's almost like they know that I'm talking about them. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of this. Let me put a little bit less because I don't know how much space it'll take. And I want to make sure that the items fit in there. try that. Okay, first the big heavy item. I'll actually put some more of that around. Okay. And I did try this while I was shopping there at Dollar Tree to make sure all this stuff would fit into one little bucket. I'm just kind of maneuvering them, so yeah, I think I'm going to have the handle going down anyway. Okay, and I've got these creams. I think I'm going to have to put those going downward. Yeah, here on this side, I think. I thought like that, but it doesn't really fit, so they're going to go like this, and that's okay. Just kind of maneuvering them so they kind of look pretty in there. I know I've got some of those little glue dots somewhere, but because my mom and my mother-in-law have problems with, you know, their fingers, I don't want them having to be dealing with pulling on things to unglue them. A little chapstick. Let's put it this way. It's not going to show. Okay, I don't have room for any more grass, so that's going to be it. Okay, so I accidentally poked this candy. I'm going to have to eat one of them. Just going to have to sacrifice. These are like little egg-shaped, so that's pretty cute. Okay. There. There, and I'm wondering if, yeah, this will fit right here in the front, like so. I was just thinking that if I was to go to a little dinner party or a tea party or a little, just any, you know, party for ladies or whatever, that if someone was to give me this, I would totally appreciate that. Wouldn't that be nice? Somebody gave you something like that, even if it just didn't have, you know, maybe one less item or two less items. It would be so cute. So I thought, I was thinking about what I would think would be, you know, nice, without caring like, well, where did you get it from? Because I would just be so grateful that, you know, someone thought to make a little, you know, little gift, right? I think all of us would say the same thing. It would just be nice if somebody, you know, just went through the time and the thought to put together something. Oh, I need to get the little ties, but I dropped the bag, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the little ties. Let me separate 3 of them. And while I'm at it, I'm going to have to open this one because I poked it. And I'm going to have to eat it. So pop it in my mouth. Okay, these look like they're wide enough for the little bucket to fit in. So let's slide it in. And look at that, you guys. This just barely fits. I'm going to push these down a little bit. Okay, what I'm going to recommend is when you put these, maybe put one of the masks facing the back. So that when they look it all the way around, instead of looking at the back of the packaging, they're looking at some color here. Look at that. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other two, and then we'll be back and put some ribbon on all of them. Last bag. Okay, so now a little ribbon. And then I'll just cut the ends so they look pretty. A little bit of an angle here. Oh my goodness, my dogs. They're not outside dogs, so they're getting very nervous out there. I'll come bring them in because they probably think that I forgot about them. I just didn't want to leave them out there with a guest in the room. So as soon as I'm out there, they can be out there because then they won't be bothering other people. Oops. How's everyone doing with your plans for Easter? We're just going to do a quiet little thing here at our house. A little bit of lunch dinner situation. You know, just family. It'll be nice. I got baskets ready for the kiddos. And a nice meal that we're going to put together. All right. And there we go. I think they came out super nice. All right, everyone, so that was my little craft for the day. I know it's not really a craft, it's just putting something together. I just thought I'd do a little video and just show you how to put this together. It's super easy. I know that a lot of you already know how to do this, but you know, it's just an excuse to put up something extra and to make sure that I wish you all a very happy Easter. I hope that your days are wonderful, that you're able to spend some time with your family. And if you're just spending it alone and it's just you and someone else, or you're by yourself, that you have a good, relaxing time and just enjoy the day, maybe with a quietness. Maybe take a little drive somewhere and look at some beautiful landscape. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up, and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up and leave a kind comment down below. If you're enjoying the content of my videos and you haven't subscribed, I'm going to ask that you please subscribe by hitting the red button down below, and also hit notifications. I choose all so that you get notified of all of my videos as soon as I upload them. Once again, thank you so very much for watching and supporting my channel. Happy Easter, and as always, enjoy.